Welcome to New Boiler Grant, and what good news we have for you today. If you are searching for a free or grant-funded new A-rated boiler, then look no further. We've supported tens of thousands of people since the Eco Grant started in 2013, and we are keen to support you today. The government's new Eco3 grant funding was launched in October 2018, and it's packed with lots of new ways in which you can receive a new grant-funded boiler. If you receive one of the new 16 qualifying benefits and your current boiler is over 5 years old, then it is likely you already qualify. Click on the Proceed to Application button just below or elsewhere in this website, and we can get started. Free boiler grants are available across England, Scotland and Wales. If you are looking for a new grant boiler, then there is no better place for you to apply than New Boiler Grant. Thank you for the opportunity of supporting you with your new boiler.